Hi Griffin, hi Tyson, hi Josiah, hi Teo.
Is the red dot on now?
Another day of sun.
Okay.
Drive by the Cars and Drive. Soloists include Devin Countryman,
Treat this like steak. Let's go.
Elena Lozada, Marcus Gentione, Sam Goodwin, Micah Terrell, Cameron Connery, and Grace Dixon. The Titan Band program is proud to present drum majors Molly Tolman, Marcus Gentione, Maya Magner, and the Papillion La Vista South High School Titan Marching Band.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh my God. My fingers hurt so much. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just turn the car. No, stop, guys, stop. Down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12. It's gonna be a tight fit. 1, 2. Oh my God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, clip in, clip in. I'm so flat for the entire show.
I can't.
Oh my God. I think it's the flattest I've ever played.
We would like to conclude this evening with a creative fundraiser that can help us offset the overall cost of this year's show props. We will excellent car salespeople down on the field in a moment
Caleb,
to help sell.
is the red dot still on?
2022 car
Yeah, it's like
props.
blinking.
Okay, good.
Cars will be sold today, but maybe
My fingers! I can't feel my fingers!
Sunday,
It's so
October
cool.
23rd, after the band
Guys, I
banquet.
almost took a tight.
Cars will start at a cost of $125, but there may be some wiggle room for negotiation.
Wiggle room!
Our sales team will communicate
I
with
can't feel my
Mr.
hand.
Butler our Titan Auto Sales Finance Manager, and help find a price that fits your budget.
I can't feel my hands.
Sold as is.
Yeah.
But for $25 more, we will touch up your car so it looks just as good as new at the time of when you pick it up.
My hands. I can't feel them.
Can we have our students help bring
So red.
these lovely cars?
Probably help out with my tarp, shouldn't I?
Get them lined up so it looks like a nice official car sales parking lot.
I'm gonna keep this recording for as long as I can. I should probably help. No, no.
Can I get this car across real quick?
Yes, wait for Monique. Let's go. I'm gonna turn my recording off. Oh my gosh. Okay. Good job, guys. I know that wasn't the best run, but it's fine. I was flat the entire time.
Jack, your movement 2, I'm moving the car. Remember where I almost tripped?
Yeah.
I didn't trip. My octave key got stuck inside my vest.
Woo!
If
Even better.
we can get them spread out by a few feet, that would be great because we need room for the
Hi Griffin,
salesmen
hi
and for
Tyson,
our
hi Josiah,
shoppers.
hi Teo, hi Josh, hi Cutter, hi Silas.
Like a good 4 or 5 feet per car.
Good job, guys.
Oh, we did amazing, guys.
Good job, guys.
Get on the car. 3, 2, 1, up. Help Grace. Help Grace. All right.
Hey, they could stretch along, like you could put them down near the
Micah, don't lose the
20-yard
cart.
line. We could put them
Just
like
keep it
every
steady.
5 feet or so.
Here, Dad.
Where's Johnny? Johnny, we got a shoulder bump.
Is it on?
Yes, it's on. I think so. Yeah, it's still on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, that was terrible. Do it again. Do it again. That was terrible.
We could turn the other way, whoever that is.
Oh, that was like the best one we've had.
That was really good. Dude, you know how I dropped the plate on my toe?
Yeah.
That fucking sucked. My toe hurts so bad I can't walk. Except
And
when
then,
I'm
like I said,
Oh, that's
every
awesome.
5 feet apart, we could spread
I was so flat the entire show. The last impact, I was like,
the whole way
Like a
down.
whole different note the entire time. It was so
I
flat.
need to get warmed up. Push-ups.
Car salesman
My saxophone.
Is the JV band have more songs?
No.
Why did they have one song?
I don't know. I thought they had more songs.
literally the second week of August.
one of these cars could be yours.
It's the second week of August.
A beautiful collector's item of our 2022
What?
show
Like the second week of
DP.
August.
Who?
The other
What?
2 songs. Because
Really?
like,
And feel free to negotiate. If you can get that price down a little bit more.
I'm surprised it didn't die yet. Wow. Yes, say something.
Hi, something.
That's not its name. Look at
All
Funline.
right,
Look
just
at
throw
those
that car
bozos.
at the very end over there.
Oh my gosh.
Can I go?
I'm so flat.
I know, I played the first note and it sounded like a D.
This is gonna be the worst thing ever.
This time,
At least I'm like,
let the car sales
I messed up the
begin.
movement 4 bodywork as
Thank
well,
you so much for coming out.
but it's fine.
Seniors
I
will
think.
take their senior banners home with them after the band banquet on Sunday.
Yeah, nobody is buying these cars.
Please
But
come support the Titan
$125?
Band as they compete in the NSPA State Marching Band Contest hosted at
I'm gonna make my
South
mom buy a car
this
just
Saturday
for fun.
at 8:15 p.m. Have a safe ride home.
Yeah.
Have a wonderful evening.
So actually,
If you can approach your car, looks like we have some customers on the way down.
I don't think we do have customers, Mr. Holman. Can I have your read?
Why?
That's funny. I'm gonna stop recording now. Is that okay?
Bye, Rick.
Say goodbye.
Your fingers?
No.
Yeah, same.
Bye.
Was just my fingers.
Goodbye.
Love you.